This beauty on the bluff offers a rare opportunity to savor amazing views of Portland's city lights and the Columbia River. Spacious and luxurious, with parks, schools, shopping, and riverfront trails just minutes away. A triple lot situated on a dead-end street, you'll enjoy its lush, private setting. Discover gorgeous hardwood floors, crown molding throughout, and large windows providing tons of natural light. Head out to the expansive upper-level deck, designed for entertaining or just relaxing while taking in the panoramic views of the city lights and river. The eat-in kitchen, including granite countertops, updated stainless steel appliances, and a gas stove, opens to the charming dining area with built-ins. Or entertain in the formal dining room. Double doors open to the main level office. Upstairs, a living room is located just off the owner's suite with vaulted ceilings and spectacular views. The luxurious ensuite features heated tile floors, a soaking tub, dual sinks, and a tiled shower with 4 shower heads. The lower level with elegant tray ceiling lighting offers multi-generational living options with 2 bedrooms and a spacious full bath, including a 2-person soaking tub and a walk-in steam shower with seating for 2 to 3 people. French doors open to the sunroom, a perfect place for your workout or reading your favorite book. The covered deck is ready for enjoying nature year-round. You'll love the 12 by 12 foot art or yoga studio, a flexible space for any number of uses. The beautiful yard includes multiple raised garden beds and mature landscaping. You'll also enjoy extensive parking options. An exceptional opportunity for relaxation and privacy, where you can enjoy the best in Northwest living with fantastic views. It's all here, ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.